In the ever-evolving world of 3D printing, where innovation knows no limits, the importance of heat resistance takes center stage in 2024. The relentless pursuit of the perfect 3D printer filament that can withstand extreme temperatures has reached unprecedented heights. From advanced composite materials to cutting-edge polymers, these remarkable substances reveal the contenders, their unique properties, and how they are reshaping industries such as aerospace, automotive, and electronics. If you are wondering about a filament that can keep up with your high-temperature printing needs and push the boundaries of creativity, then you have reached the right destination. We have listed the best 3D printer filament for heat resistance in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each 3D printer filament in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the SainSmart Carbon Fiber PETG filament. The SainSmart Carbon Fiber PETG filament is an all-in-one powerhouse for 3D printing materials designed for heat resistance in 2024. If you require a filament that can withstand high temperatures while delivering exceptional performance, this filament is worth considering. The SainSmart Carbon Fiber PETG filament is an impressive blend consisting of 10% carbon fiber and 90% PETG. This carefully calibrated ratio offers outstanding heat resistance, which makes it the ideal choice for projects that require durability in extremely hot environments. To achieve optimal results, it is crucial to ensure that the filament is completely dry before printing and to utilize an enclosure for precise temperature control. It is recommended to keep your settings within the temperature range of 220 to 260 degrees Celsius while maintaining a heated bed temperature between 70 to 100 degrees Celsius. Further, a minimal fan speed of 0% and a print speed ranging from 40-60 mm/s are essential components for attaining exceptional outcomes. To unlock the full potential of your 3D printer, it is recommended to equip it with a durable, abrasion-resistant steel nozzle, preferably with a diameter of 0.6 mm or larger. This will help prevent nozzle clogs and ensure smooth printing. It is crucial to perform regular maintenance on the nozzle to maintain optimal performance. If you are searching for a filament that can handle high temperatures and consistently deliver exceptional results, this particular filament is worth considering. If you're interested in this PETG 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Polymaker ASA 3D printer filament. When it comes to 3D printing filaments that are designed for superior heat resistance, the Polymaker ASA 3D printer filament truly shines as a leader in its field. With a wide range of remarkable features, it enhances your 3D printing experience to new heights. Its exceptional toughness and impact resistance make it perfectly suited for a variety of functional applications that showcase its ability to withstand temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius (212 degrees Fahrenheit). Introducing the Pop Green ASA variant that is similar to Pop Green ABS filament, and this option elevates the surface quality of your prints beyond that of standard 3D Pop Green filament. For impeccable print quality, set the fan at 30% and the chosen color, Pop Green ASA filament in 1.75 mm, closely matches Pop Green ABS filament in the same size to provide versatile color options for your projects. It is aligned with an eco-conscious ethos, and the Polymaker ASA embraces sustainability through its upgraded 3.0 version packaging. This innovative packaging solution showcases fully recycled cardboard spools and boxes. In terms of printing settings, Polymaker ASA provides recommended parameters to achieve optimal results. These include a nozzle temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, a bed temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, and a print speed of 50 mm per second. If you're interested in this Pop Green ASA 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the FlashForge ABS Pro 3D printer filament. The FlashForge ABS Pro 3D printer filament is an optimistic leap forward in the world of 3D printing, especially when it comes to heat resistance. It proudly asserts itself as the ultimate filament for projects that demand uncompromising resistance to high temperatures. The FlashForge ABS Pro filament possesses an exceptional capacity to withstand elevated heat levels, making it the perfect choice for endeavors that necessitate parts capable of enduring intense heat without warping or distorting. This filament offers a consistently smooth and stable printing experience. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs interrupting your printing process because this ABS Pro filament undergoes a meticulous 24-hour drying process and is vacuum sealed with desiccants in a transparent bag. This rigorous preparation ensures a bubble-free filament, resulting in flawless prints. The Pro filament is engineered for precision. It features an advanced CCD diameter measuring system and a self-adaptive control system during manufacturing. These cutting-edge features ensure stringent tolerances with a remarkable diameter accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. With a staggering 99% probability of dimensional accuracy, you can rely on this filament to deliver impeccable prints. Each spool contains 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds of filament, providing ample time to complete your projects without constant spool changes. If you're interested in this filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Filaments Voxel ABS Pro 3D printer filament. In the fast-paced world of 3D printing, the Filaments Voxel ABS Pro 3D printer filament emerges as the unequivocal champion of heat resistance. This filament embodies an impressive array of features that surpasses the competition, making it the indisputable choice for those who demand the highest level of 3D printing excellence. It is meticulously crafted and leverages the finest raw materials. The Voxel ABS Pro filament stands out for its exceptional heat resistance, which makes it the ideal choice for applications that subject prints to extreme temperatures. With an advanced CCD diameter measuring system and a self-adaptive control mechanism, it can ensure an impeccable filament diameter of 1.75 millimeters. The astounding dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters sets a new precision standard, ensuring that each layer of your print is a masterpiece of exactitude. Voxel ABS Pro offers more than just heat resistance, it provides a comprehensive solution. Experience smooth and flawless printing, excellent adhesion, minimal stringing, and significantly reduced warping with its vibrant color palette and precise printing conditions. It's a user-friendly choice for beginners and experienced experts alike. If you're interested in this ABS Pro filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Polymaker ABS Black 3D printer filament. The Polymaker ABS Black 3D printer filament is the ultimate solution for your heat-resistant 3D printing needs in 2024. It is also crafted with innovation and precision, and this filament stands out as a top performer in 3D printing materials. The Polymaker ABS Black apart is its exceptional heat resistance, boasting a Vickett softening temperature of 104 degrees Celsius. This means it can withstand high-temperature environments, making it ideal for functional parts that demand durability and stability under extreme conditions. With a unique bulk polymerized ABS resin, it has a significantly lower volatile content than traditional ABS materials. This translates to higher stability during printing, reducing the chances of jams and ensuring a smoother, hassle-free experience. The filament comes vacuum sealed with a resealable bag and includes a desiccant, all within a sturdy, sealed box. The ABS Black filament is presented on a fully recycled cardboard spool and box, effectively minimizing its environmental impact. This meticulous packaging ensures your filament remains moisture-free and ensures optimal printing performance. To achieve the best results, follow the recommended printing settings like nozzle and bed temperatures, print speed, and bed surface suggestions. And remember, if you need UV resistance for your outdoor applications, Polymaker has covered you with their UV-resistant ASA filament. If you're interested in this black ABS 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best 3D printer filaments for heat resistance, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your gun parts will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these filaments. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care!